welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about something really interesting. We're going to be talking about how you can literally make anything happen for yourself, how you can create the life that you want, the life that is for you because you have thought it. You know, you can literally make anything happen for yourself, and it all starts with the mindset, how you think, how you walk it, how you feel it. Now, a lot of you, I'm sure you've probably heard about the law of attraction, right? Now, basically what the law of attraction is, basically like attracts like. So, for instance, you're at the mall and you smile at someone, they probably smile back at you. If you frown at someone or you give them not a very nice look, they're not exactly going to smile back at you, are they? So that's exactly what the law of attraction is. So whatever you want in life, if you put it out there, whatever you think, if you put it out there, you will definitely receive. That's why, for instance, they say if you give, you will always receive. Now, I'm not talking about giving to expect something back and know, yeah, well, do you know what, let me give this out. If I do this, I know that I'm definitely gonna get it double the amount that I put out there. You don't want to think like that. You want to think, I'm gonna give what I can because I want to. If you have that mentality, everything you give out to the universe, you will always get back. Now, I want you to understand the mind is powerful. So if you put out negativity into the universe, you will also get negativity. I'm sure you guys have heard about that saying, you reap what you sow, right? If you're sowing seeds of negativity or if you're sowing seeds of positivity, you're 100% going to get that back. Now, I'll share my story briefly. 2 years ago, I was not where I wanted to be at all. I was unhappy, I was depressed. It was horrible. And you know, this through that experience, now I want to say one thing, you know, everything happens for a reason, right? So you might go through different experiences in life and you're only going through them to learn something, to make you stronger for the blessing that's about to come. If you've withered the storm and, you know, the sun's coming out, it's just preparing you for that journey, that new journey that you're going to have to go through. So, you know, through this hardship that I went through, it brought about me getting to know myself. It brought about me wanting to know more about how I could enjoy life, how I could be happy. And that's how I found out that I could, you know, create the life that I want. For instance, say you want to build a house, right? You have no job, you have no money, you probably didn't go to school. This is your vision, you want to build that house. Now what I want you to think about is, I want you to not worry about the how you're going to get that house. You just believe that you already have that house, you know? I want you to start to act like you already live in your house. I'm a testimony that it actually works. Like, we're about to lose our house. I said to her, Mum, visualize the type of kitchen that you want. Feel yourself opening the cupboards of the kitchen. That same year, she got the kitchen that she's always wanted. She wanted a big kitchen, lots of space to keep her stuff, and she had that. It's all in our minds, and we are creators. So if we decide that we want a certain type of life, we have to believe that we can have that type of life. So with this, you have to, with the law of attraction, you have, you know, they say seeing is believing. It is the other way around in this case. You have to believe to see it. If you don't believe, you don't see it. So a lot of us, for instance, I believe in God, and a lot of us, you know, pray. And sometimes we would pray today, we'll pray tomorrow, the same prayer point. And the thing is, God has already heard you, but it's because you don't believe that He's already answered your prayers. It may not happen tomorrow, it may happen 5 years from now, you know, and the thing is, it may not be the way you want it, but then again, He has a plan. He knows what you need and what's good for you. So because it's not happening, you pray today, because it's not happening tomorrow doesn't mean it's never going to happen. That's why you need to believe. That's why a lot of us will go back to God, praying about the same prayer point over and over and over again, and you're thinking, God hasn't heard me, hasn't heard me, because you don't believe. So if you don't believe that you already have it, if you don't believe that He's already answered your prayers, how is that going to come to pass? Because you're putting out there. So it's like you're saying, right, I want this house. But then you start to think about reasons why 100% there's no way you can get the house. That's what you think, right? Because you're thinking, let's be realistic now. How in the world am I going to get this house? I don't have a job. I don't have, I don't have money saved. There is no way possible that I'm getting this house. Like, let's be real. But the thing is, I don't want you to worry about how you're going to get it. I want you to worry about the why and put it into action. You worry about the why you want the house, because if you want the house, you have a reason behind it, you have drive. How to get the house, don't worry about the how, the universe will deal with that. Because you believe it, you will start to put in the action to finally get that house. And only you can know that. No one can do this for you, no one can tell you this, no one can believe for you. You have to believe in yourself, you have to believe what you want. And if you believe that it'll happen, 100% it will. Now, a lot of people dream, they want a lot of things, but the reason they don't get it is because they don't believe that they can actually get it. You don't believe that it can ever happen. What I want you to take from here is always remember that we are all creators. Now, God has wonderfully made us and He's given us choices. We can make our own choices and decide on what we want. Now, the first step to this is I want you to change your mindset and remember that always see the positive side in everything. Even if you make a mistake, laugh at yourself. Think about what you could have learned from the situation or what you can learn from the situation. Change the way you think. You know, what I want you to do is establish your mind. Because if your mind isn't established, it's so easy for you to get strayed. So for instance, someone says go left, you easily go left because you don't know what you want. Now if your mind is established and you know exactly what you want from life, I want you to think about that for a second. What is it that I want? What do I want to do? What dreams do I want to chase? What do I want to become? Once you know what you want to do, and to be fair, that comes from self-love, that comes from self-growth, that comes from getting to know yourself, because once you get to know yourself, then you know what you want, rather than the peer pressure from media or following that person because you think it's trendy and that's the way it should go. How about what you want? How about what you deserve? Think about that for a second. Now, once you've established your mind, have a why. Why do you want whatever you want to go into? Why is it so important to you? Because what I want you to get to is a point where you're not working, but you're living life and you're truly happy because you love what you're doing. Let me tell you this, when you know yourself, you know what you want, and you follow that dream, and you believe in yourself, and you believe that it can happen, trust me, it will. The universe will make it happen for you. All you have to do is put in the action. That's literally all you have to do. And a lot of people might say, yeah, well, I've tried that, I've put in the action, nothing's coming of it. It's because you don't believe that it can happen. So you have doubts when you do things. You have doubts when you put in that action. You can't have doubts and put something out, because what you get back, no result, because you didn't believe that it could happen. If you put out positivity into the universe, you will always get positivity back. For instance, if you saw me at a mall and I smiled at you, automatically you smile back. You feel that warmth, and you'll do the same thing. So you reciprocate. Exactly the same thing. That's how law of attraction works. Like attracts like. So I say this to you, you can create the life that you want. It's such an amazing feeling. I, went through a lot, went through depression. I was in a place in my life that I didn't want to be. I didn't know why a lot of things were happening. And I said to myself, right, I took action, same way I want you to take action today. And I said to myself, I want to change this. How can I do that? I started to research. I started to read a lot of books. And then I discovered that I needed to get to know myself. Right, now that I knew that, I found out that I needed to believe that I can make anything happen for myself. And then I realized that I need to establish my mind. And then I started to read ways to do it. I just want you to live in the moment, relax yourself, live in the moment, enjoy every moment that you're going through, create the life that you want, see it, visualize it. You can even write it down. So, for instance, if you want to change your job, you need to really figure out what it is that you want to do. Once you know that, it becomes no job. It becomes something that you love, you truly love. Believe that you can get it, put the action out there, and it will come to you eventually. Don't worry about how long it takes. Everything has its time, everything has its course. Don't worry about how it's going to happen. You just worry about putting in the action and believing that it's already here. And I want you to start to act it, feel it, and to walk it. So for instance, if you want to build a house, believe that you already have this house. Believe that you already live in this house. You know, thank the universe for your mansion, if that's what you want. If it's a mansion that you want, thank the universe for the mansion. If it's a nice car that you want, thank you for this car that I already have. Even though you don't have the car, but because you believe that you already have it, it will eventually come to you. Just writing it down, for instance. So writing down, say for instance, you want to be earning a certain amount of salary, earning £1 million, whatever it is that you want to create for your life. Trust me, it's an amazing feeling and it works. I started to create the life that I wanted, and now I'm living the life that I want. You know, I still visualize every day. There's a lot of things I know with time it will eventually happen, but I am living the life that I want. I wanted a new car at the time. I started to see myself behind a wheel of a new car. I'm literally just driving, literally, and I got a car. I got a new car that year. I wanted a house. I wanted a nice house. I started to visualize myself opening the cupboards in the kitchen, you know, walking up and down the stairs, nice curtains and everything, my own room. And I had that. Eventually came to me because I already believed I had it. And with everything that you do, always be grateful and always thank the universe for what you already have. Thank the universe for what you don't have yet. Know that it will come eventually. And I hope this helps, guys. Trust me, you can create the life that you want. All you have to do is believe it, and then you'll see it. And then put in the action to make it happen. Because when you believe it and you visualize it in your mind, you feel you're basically what you think. You are what you think. You think a certain way, and that's how you start to feel. If you believe it, you start to act like it, and automatically it's like you're already there. So guys, here's a little challenge for everyone. Now what I want you to do is think about the type of life that you want to live, and I want you to put it down in the comment section. It'll be good to see what everyone puts down, right? I want you to put it down in the comment section like you already have it, right? So I'm going to go first. So I am a successful businesswoman who travels all around the world and living my best life. There we are. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.